Well, well, good afternoon, YouTube. Um, so there's a little bit of a leniency on hunting and fishing for Maryland, our Governor Hogan. So we can pretty much hunt and fish, just can't do it in large groups or groups at all. Honestly, still supposed to maintain social distancing, and so I'm at Pretty Boy. I haven't been out here in a long time, and this is actually the first time I actually walked around Pretty Boy. Um, Spring turkey season is next week. I would like to get my first turkey with a crossbow because it's only archery out here. And I have no idea how to hunt turkey. I've stumbled across turkey numerous occasions. I've stumbled across one turkey when I was fishing with my buddy AD. Came down right where we was fishing to drink some water and disappeared back off into the woods. And one time while deer hunting, I was trying to do spot and stalk, and I came across a whole group of turkeys roosting. So yeah, I have that type of luck. I have weird luck. When I'm not looking for them, I find them. But now that I'm looking for them, I have no idea where to begin. So I came far back as I could. I was watching some videos on how to track turkey and find them and stuff. And this one video that I came across. Oh, let me zoom y'all. GoPro stop recording. There's one video I came across. Um, so there's one video I came across said, you know, the easiest way to find turkey on public land is to find like thick cover and an open field and be somewhere in between them because apparently turkeys hang out in large groups and they don't really travel far from their roosting areas. So Pretty Boy Reservoir, the water is right behind me, and this is the furthest I came into the thick part of the woods. So let me try to give y'all a view. So a couple minutes ago, I heard something. I'm not sure if it was a turkey. I don't think it was a turkey. It might have been a coyote. So I sat here for a couple of minutes just to listen. It went on for about, say, 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And now the noise is gone. So I figured I'd sit here for a minute and reassess reassess my surroundings and figure out from there what to do. I'm trying to listen to what's going on. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a couple minutes of sitting here, and then I'm gonna move. I see a lot of open field right here. I'm not sure if this is public or private, but I'm about to walk down there and figure it out because that looks pretty good, especially for deer hunting. That open field like that, and we'll go from there. I'll bust out a turkey call for you. Little box one. I hate the mouth one. It makes my mouth feel weird. So I'm gonna give this a couple minutes of sitting, and then I'm gonna try to move. See if I can find another spot. Maybe possibly find them roosting. I can't see them going far from the water, and I'm a good distance from the water. The water's back behind me, but I'm sure it's a hike. So we'll see. I'm learning as I go. It's my first time hunting turkey. I wouldn't mind putting that on my bucket list. Killing my first turkey and harvesting. So I will see y'all later. GoPro, stop record. This is my first time ever being or walking around Pretty Boy Reservoir. It's still part of deer management, public land hunting. And I've never seen a field like this. This is a pretty awesome view. It's definitely a good hunting spot for any wildlife that you want. Look at that ridge. So I'm pretty sure the lake is that way. I passed a little mini stream right here. And I'm just still walking. I haven't seen any turkeys, haven't heard any turkeys. It's a good day for turkey. And like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm trying to figure out as I go along. You only get better with time though. I got good at deer hunting. I know how to find them. I gotta work on being so anxious when it comes to deer hunting though. And being in the right spot. It's my first time actually going to go turkey hunting. Oh yeah, this is definitely a good spot for a deer. Let me show you. Pretty sure that's deer poop. I could be wrong. Might be just a rabbit. But I think it's deer poop. If y'all know, let me know. But I've been cooped up in the house for 3-4 weeks now because of this whole virus crap. So being out here, and especially in the area that I'm not too familiar with, it's just awesome. So I'm gonna keep walking further back, see what else I can find. If not, I'm gonna throw the old fishing pole out in the water, play around, see if I can get some fish. I don't even have a cooler or a bucket or nothing. I'll probably just throw them in the car, drive as fast as I can so they don't go bad. But I mean, it's pretty cool out, so they shouldn't. I got a stringer. I do have a stringer though. This is just perfect for deer. Too perfect. So I'm kind of curious of how many people come out here hunting. But I got a couple of spots if this gets overrun with hunters. I want to find a good rifle spot so I can utilize my Marlin 1895 4570. So, alright, if I see something else interesting, I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, GoPro, stop record. So like I said, guys, I've never really walked the Pretty Boy Reservoir, but I came across a pretty cool road or trail. The only reason why I came up here is because I saw a sign. So let's see what the sign says. Just want to make sure I'm doing everything legal and within my limits, the limitation of, ouch, where I can go. Not sure what they really make of the sign. It's confusing. I guess my limits is the fence. I'm not sure. So I guess if I come across a fence, don't go there. But yeah, I've God damn it, I walked pretty far. I'm using Onyx map to figure out where I'm going, and I haven't heard no turkeys. It's a beautiful day, so I don't hear any. I don't understand why they would be quiet. But I layered numerous locations for hunting and everything. So I'm gonna just walk down the trail and see where it takes me. I mean, if I'm somewhere I'm not supposed to be, I'm just gonna turn around and go back. Hopefully they don't shoot me down on sight. So yeah, I'm walking down this trail now. The more I map out this area, the more I understand it. So, see where the trail takes us, and then I'm gonna probably start heading back. I don't hear turkey, I don't see turkey, I don't see no signs of turkey. I'm just trying to figure this out, man. This is pretty dope. Gorgeous view. Taking pictures on my phone. I have no clue where I'm at. I'm pretty sure I can hike back where I came from. I'm trying to just backtrack my footprints, my footsteps, and do some fishing. Oh, okay. Let's see the fences they're talking about. See those fences around the trees? Fence around that thing. This is pretty cool. Pretty Boy is awesome. See some footprints, scratches. Don't look like turkey feet. Yeah, guys, turkeys are tough. Turkeys are very tough to find. You would think I would have heard them by now, at least. I haven't heard no turkeys and nothing. What's that? Bird. A regular bird, not a turkey. Where are these turkeys, man? What is this? I think I see signs. This is a good sign. See that? It's definitely a turkey's foot. Some other animal prints, dog look like. And I see some deer. That's one good sign. Let's see if I can take a picture on my phone. Alright, I'll hit y'all guys back. I gotta focus for a minute. GoPro stop record. So, I don't know. I only found those tracks up there near the trail. There's some people walking around when I was leaving. Walking the dog, some older couple. But yeah, I haven't seen or heard any turkey yet. The only signs was those footprints on the trail. And I don't know how old it was. The ground is soft, but it rained real hard the last couple of days. But I was walking back because I'm pull the fishing rods out, see if I can catch some fish, some bass, something. I'll take it home and eat it. But look what I came across. This is such a beautiful view. So dope. Don't know what kind of plants these are, but they are absolutely dope. Look out. I don't want to disturb it, but let's see. It goes all the way down. Kind of stinks too. Yeah. I don't know what it is, but it's dope. Yeah, I wouldn't eat this because I know my animals, but I don't know my plants. I'm just curious what kind of plants these are. If y'all know, somebody watching this channel knows, educate a brother. That's the turkey box thing in my pocket, making its own calls. Probably telling me, don't give up, Charm City Hunter. You can do it. I know I can do it, but guess what? I don't know enough about turkeys to do it. But I'm doing my part. If there's something that you don't know, you get out and learn. And this can go for any aspect of life. But I'm mainly talking about I was checking out some of these tracks, like deer tracks. I saw a huge paw print. I took a picture of it. I'll upload it to the channel. But Yeah, if you don't know, get out there and do it. Nobody taught me how to hunt deer. Nobody showed me how to hunt deer. You know, I was around my uncle when I was younger, and he was hold on, let me bust out a call real quick. Just anything at this point, right? But nobody taught me how to hunt. Sorry, I keep losing track because I'm hearing something. But nobody taught me how to hunt deer, or hunt period for that matter. I was always interested in it. It was always something I wanted to get into, and I didn't have really anybody to show me. Oh God, can you be quiet? And I wanted to learn, so I learned myself by teaching myself. This is actually a good little photo area. Hold on real quick. Oh, I'm back, people. Had to take a quick selfie op. I love taking pictures now, especially outdoors. But yeah, I'm hiking back to the truck now. What the heck is that? Pretty dope stuff you find out here. But yeah, I'm walking back to the truck. I'm do a little fishing. So I guess this spring turkey season, I'm gonna have to wing it. Just like I did with the deer. Well, with the deer was different because I saw them all the time when I went fishing. And I told you guys, the only time I've seen turkey was when that one time I was fishing, and when I was deer hunting, I stumbled across them. But you can't hunt Loch Raven's turkey. It's only deer. Pretty Boy is all game within this season. So yeah, I'm going the right way. I suggest you guys, y'all can't really see this. I suggest you guys learn or download this. One of these trees look like it's gonna fall on X Hunt app. It's pretty awesome. So, welcome back, people. A little bit of an update. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not fishing. Walking back to my car after scouting for turkey, I see red and blue lights, police lights, and there's another car parked behind me, a silver SUV, I think. So walking back to the truck, I see the officer. He steps out. It's environmental police at Pretty Boy. That's his area. And he had tickets in his hand. 2 tickets. I'm assuming one was for my vehicle, and one from the female that was driving the other car. She showed up later, actually. But there's no hunting whatsoever at Loch Raven, Pretty Boy, or Liberty, or most of the, the public land deer management parks. So I don't know. I'm confused because the information I read from Governor Hogan said that you can fish and hunt, you just can't do it in a group. He's telling me they had separate rules from the no parks being open, and then all that other fun stuff. He has separate rules, and there is no hunting or fishing near those main 3 areas. Those 3 areas I named because that's the only areas I'm familiar with, and that's what's close to me to hunt, especially for archery. So because there is I think I'm going this way, yeah. So because it is shut down, hold on, let me get out of this little hole. I had a guy driving on my ass. So all that stuff is shut down. I don't know what to do with myself. He was kind enough not to give me a ticket. I think because he spoke to me and I came to the car before he could put it on the car. But this virus thing, y'all, is really messing up my outdoor activity. It's messing up my experience hunting. I don't know how long this is going to last. Honestly, I think it's going to be all year because they don't have a vaccine. And people are dying from it. So it's serious. And I get it. I understand everybody wants to be safe. I understand all that stuff. You know, I think I knew it was serious, and I have my theories and thoughts about it. I have my little conspiracy theories, imagination going on. But it hit me today because I can't hunt. I can't fish. I don't know any other areas that might be open for that stuff. But what's close to me was an hour to 40 minutes, and all those areas are done for hunting and fishing. So, like I said, he was kind enough not to give me a ticket, so I appreciate that. And I was lucky enough to walk back from where I was, hike all the way back to my vehicle in time for him not to put the ticket on my car. So, I don't know, guys. I'm part of a Merlin Hunt group, Merlin Bow Hunters on Facebook, and I have my own hunt group, You Keep What You Kill, on Facebook. If any of you guys are close to the Maryland area and know of public land that you can hunt, I'd be so grateful if you guys could either tell me or I'll pay to go hunt there. I'll even be willing to drive more than an hour, 2 hours to go hunt with you. I did not want to miss out on my hunting experience this year. I had so many plans. I don't know, man. I'm like speechless. It's pretty serious when you shut down outdoor activity like this, and it just has my gears going as far as the origin of this virus, what's really going on. Because I can assure you the authorities are not telling us the truth. They definitely are not telling us the truth. Anytime you shut down stuff like that, it's pretty serious. So, I don't know, I'm gonna edit all my videos that I have on the SD card, so I won't forget. And I only have a couple of minutes left on this SD card. I got another one in the bag. But yeah, y'all just be safe, man. If you find a spot, know of spots where you can fish and hunt without being bothered, do your thing, y'all. More power to you. Just be safe. Keep your social distance. And just enjoy yourselves. I'm gonna have to find something to do with my life. I have a spot where I can fish for catfish. I don't know if it's closed or open. I put in a whole bunch of days to be off in a couple of weeks. The week after this week coming up. So I'm gonna try my hand at that and see what happens. A good thing is the spot is close to where I stand to fish the bank. And I don't know, I'm gonna try my hand at that and see how that goes. Like I really hope the summer is not ruined. I really do. I mean, I spent money on my license. I spent money on my crab license. I bought a really nice, expensive crab trap, and crawfish. It just seemed like all this is about to be shut down. Well, it is shut down, and I don't know what I'm gonna do this summer. You know, it's not fair for the kids and people with families. So I don't know how this is going to play out this year for Charm City and my YouTube channel. I'm gonna have to be creative with other stuff now. So like I said, guys, just be safe, enjoy each other. I mean, this is good bonding time with your families if you're not a family oriented person. But I don't know, I'm a little disappointed. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, families. Check out my other videos if you haven't. I have pretty good, awesome videos of me hunting deer. And a lot of other outdoor stuff. Crawfish, catfish. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry. I mean, you know, I'm glad I spent as much time as I did out there, because it is gorgeous. Pretty Boy is gorgeous. This is the first time I ever walked around Pretty Boy, and oh my God, that's gonna be another good spot for me to go deer hunting and turkey hunting if this pandemic ever ends. So I mean, I enjoyed the experience, so I can't complain too much. I got some awesome pictures. I'm gonna upload them to my Instagram page and my Facebook. My Instagram is Seti Smooth. You'll see me. I'm wearing I did a Snapchat filter with my son, with us wearing a crown. And my Facebook is Charm City Hunter. Look me up. Check out my content. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. I guess all I can do is go home and drink, play the video games, and spend time with my wife and my son. So, peace. Thanks for watching.